Here we're asked to simplify this expression. So I see there's some multiplication, some subtraction, there's some decimals. Since there's more than one operation, we need to follow the order of operations that says we always solve what's inside the parentheses first, and then the exponents, and then we do any multiplying or dividing, and then we do any adding or subtracting. So here I do have a set of parentheses, so I am going to first simplify what's inside the parentheses. So I'm going to write that down vertically. And when you're writing down a subtraction problem, including decimals, you want to make sure that you line up your decimals. So I'm going to put my decimals right on top of each other, and each place setting is lined up. So when I'm subtracting these, I'm first going to start on the far right, and I have 5 minus 9, which I can't do, so I need to borrow. So that's 15 minus 9, which is 6. Then keep moving to the left. 2 minus 3, I can't do that, so I need to borrow. Make that a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. My decimal point stays in the same place, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So I can rewrite this problem as 6.4 times 2.96. Now I just have a multiplication problem. So again, I'm going to rewrite that. Now in this case, you do not need to line up your decimals. You want to put the biggest number on top. So I'm going to start with the 296. I'll put that decimal point there. And then I'm going to put the 64 underneath that. And my decimal point there. So always the biggest number, the one with the most digits, on the top. Now I'm going to start multiplying. So when I do 6 times 4, I get 24, carry the 2. Now 9 times 4 is 36, plus 2 is 38. So I'll put the 8 here, and I'll carry the 3. And then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Now let's move on to the next row, and I'm going to put a 0 here, and now I'm going to multiply by the 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to erase these for now. So I put my 6 here, and I carry my 3. Now 9 times 6 is 54, plus 3 is 57. So I'm going to carry my 5. And then 2 times 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. And then I'll add them. So 4, 14, 9, 8, and 1. Now this is what I get when I multiply 296 by 64. But I need to now place my decimal point in my answer. So to figure out where your decimal point goes, you look at your original problem and see how many places after the decimal point in total are there. So there's 1 here for 6.4 and then 2 here. So it's a total of 3 numbers after the decimal point, 3 digits after the decimal point. So I need to have 3 digits after the decimal point. So my answer is going to be 18.944.